In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can add a target line in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see some sales data. In sales terms, there always have been a target. Suppose in January there is target was 125 and in February the target was 120. In March the target was suppose 90. We are entering some random values, suppose 85. Now we just want to add a targeted line in this chart. For this we are selecting this chart. For selecting this chart, just double click the chart. Now you can see the selected area. Here we are going to select the targeted column also. Look, there arrived a bar chart in the graph. But we want the target line. For this, we are selecting the targeted value, one of them. Now go to the change chart type. This is a combo bar chart, so we are selecting combo bar charts. The bottom of the chart, and there is a targeted value. Targeted value we want is in the line cell. Okay, then selecting this and click OK. You can see the preview here. Click OK. Look, this is our target and this is our cell. Now we can comparison between target and cell. This is how we can add a targeted line in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.